When we were setting out to find build partners for our prototype electric UTV, we needed to find some of the highest quality aftermarket parts suppliers in the game. And for me, as a wheel supplier, OMF was a no-brainer. Back when I used to race GNCC, I ran OMF zero offset beadlock wheels, and they were some of the highest quality products that I could have asked for. They look great, they're really strong, they got me through the races. So I knew that when we were gonna be pushing the limit with our electric UTV, that these wheels would stand up to the test. And something really great about OMF wheels is that they are a two-piece design, so if you ever damage the wheel, you can actually unbolt the center from the rest of the wheel and you can replace a part that's broken. So with OMF, you know you're gonna get really high quality manufacturing with a really good look. So that's why we chose OMF.